Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, my name is Jasmine. Welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today I'm gonna share with you guys my second haul for CVS. I normally don't do two hauls, but everything here are new items and I couldn't really pass them out. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I did them. The total would have been $79.72, but I also earned 200 points from PG Good Every Day, and those 200 points have helped me reach 750 points total. That means I'm able to redeem for a $5 gift card. So excited about that. After all the ECBs that I got back was $27 worth of ECB, my final price came out to $6.28 moneymaker. So yes, so many great deals. You guys could combine some of these deals from this haul and also the one that I did on Sunday. Many great items happening this week. I'm kind of shocked because I wasn't getting that from the CVS ad. So let's go ahead and start with that PG Good Everyday deal. This is Crest, and as you know, this is part of P&G. So what I did was I purchased 4 toothpaste, and as you know, they're on special for $3.90. They're on special for $3.99, but just make sure that if you're going to be using that CRT that has to do with whitening, that you do get a Crest that says 3D white, and that's exactly what we did. So our total was $15.96. We used 2 digital coupons, one that deducted $5, the other one deducted $1. And these 2 CRTs you see in the picture, one that deducted 4 off 14 and the other one that says whitening. We ended up paying $2.96 but got back 5 in extra bucks, making it $2.04 moneymaker. Here is quickly showing you the website, how it looks like, and you're able to see that you could just go ahead and submit your receipt, but you do need to sign up, register, have that information. That way it keeps track of your receipts, keep tracks of your points, and then you could just check out which way you want to receive the reward or use those points. And here you can see the gift cards that are 750 points, which equals to $5. So excited about that program. The next deal we're going to talk about, as you see, is Hope Blends, and we also have Garnier Fructis. I did combine these deals because I wanted to use a CRT that deducts 3 off 12, which I did receive at the end of my receipt on Sunday. So the Fructis are 2 for $7. The Whole Blends is 2 for $7, so that's $14 on its own. I used that CRT deducting 3. I used printables deducting $2 for each. You could just go ahead and print them or also select them from your app. That way it's digital. And there's a CRT for the swab that we had that was 2 off 2. You're going to pay, I believe it's $5, but you're going to get back $6 in ECB, making it $1 moneymaker. Guys, the next deal is L'Oreal skincare, and I had, I think, a total of 4 different CRTs. Some CRTs were from last week and some were from this week that printed. So what I did was I purchased the Age Perfect moisturizer for $20.99, and I didn't know what else to choose to just reach the $30. So I purchased a makeup remover. I never purchased this before. It's next to the wipes. It's like that pink bottle, and that one was $8.79 in the store. So it gave me a total of $29.78. What I did was I used 2 CRTs deducting $7 each, and it went through with no problems. I used a $4 that printed for everybody on Sunday and a 5 off 15 for L'Oreal facial care. So these are all the CRTs I used. There was no other type of coupon, so I ended up paying $6.78. I got back 10 ECB, making it a final price of $3.22 moneymaker. The next deal I was so excited about, but something we did was, in my store they didn't have it, so we had to wait to make this haul today, at least for the Aveeno. And what I did was I went to the app and I checked the availability for it, and there was another CVS near us, so that guaranteed that it was in stock. So we used the CRT that I got, that it was printed at the end of the receipt deducting $4 for Aveeno. I used the CRT deducting 3 off 12 for hair care, and those printable coupons for Aveeno, they're $2 each. I selected one in the app and I used one that I printed. And look at the range of options they had in the store. I was surprised because other stores, they were completely gone. So once you purchase 2, they're on special for $6.99. They came out to $13.98 once you buy 2. I used those CRTs that I mentioned and the printables, so I ended up paying just $2.98, which is already pretty good. But at the end of the receipt, I got $3 in extra bucks, making it free. And I'm excited to try this shampoo. The other deal is also easy to do. These are Speed Stick and these are 2 for $6. The printables, you're gonna get them in the website, speedstick.com, I believe is a website, and they're 50 cents each. You just have to sign in or just go ahead and print it. I was able to print them, so we got 2 of those, so that came out to $1 manufacturer and a $2 CRT, as you see in the picture. So from $6 in the register, our final price was $3, but at the end of our receipt, we got $3 in extra bucks, making it free. So guys, this conclude this video. I really wanted to share this second haul because everything that I purchased on this video is very different than I did on video 1 on the first haul. That way you can just go ahead and mix and match which deal will work best for you. I am just so surprised that all these great products, some that I want to try, were free, and everything came out, like I mentioned, to $6.28 moneymaker. So guys, let me know what you guys think of this haul. I hope you're having a wonderful early week, and until the next video, bye.